Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to the unboxing of the Unity, unbagging, whatever we're unning of the Unity stamp kit of the month. And this is going to be for September, no, August. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, August. So it's called Phases. And we'll start off with the free stuff as usual. And this is being recorded in August, this video, of course, but you'll see it in September. And I watched Wonder and Dreamer 555, and you could just tell the elation of joy that she had. And I'm so happy for her because, we had been going back and forth about should we keep on doing a collaboration because the kits were not the greatest in our opinion. Hers for different reasons than mine, and vice versa. So this is the quote unquote free stuff that you get if you're paying for it. Is it free though? If you're paying for the kit, is it free? This is just like the little add-ons that they give you. You get, excuse me, some paper. These looks like some a baking page, some food. It's so interesting. I'm not sure what other people got, but mine says canned apples and cake, and we have a moon. I don't know. Anyway, I like this edging. Very cool. You get this paper. You get a tag, some acetate, a jar. You can put a potion in here. I have newt maybe. Then you get this little torn piece of paper. And then this is glossy, so I'm not sure what you would do with those. And then you get some twine and you get a rub on. I think this is a rub on. Looks like grapes. Very cool. Okay, and so then you have we'll go over the stamp set in a minute, but you got your inspiration page and it's called Bit of a Witch. I love that. You get the witch in the silhouettes because she's solid, and you get the moon, and there's a bit of a witch in all of us, and that looks really cool. And then you have galaxy moon because these come in phases, right? Moons are phases. It says no matter the phase you are in, you will always be whole, which is really cool. And they just show you how they did some of the little stuff. So I will say that Wonder and Dreamer 555 is hosting a creepy Halloween on the 13th. You create something Halloween inspired, and this fits in right with it. So, um, am I super excited about this kit? I don't know. I thought about it a while back, and I'm like, a while back, meaning a few days ago. I'm like, I don't really know how I feel about it because all the kits have, none of the kits have been, oh my goodness, knock you off your socks since I've been in this kit of the month club. So, yeah, I don't know. So you get a moon, this cute little snail, and you get some fungi, and then you get an owl. This owl, I am not into owls, but this owl is right up my attitude. He's like, listen, leave me alone. Then you have this pumpkin, which is super cute, and they gave us a pumpkin like this, I want to say a couple of years back, which is still cute. And then we have these two witches. It would have been cool if they would have gave us a third witch, but it is what it is. You get these two witches, and they are silhouettes, so they're all you just stamp them out in whatever color ink you want, and it's going to be that solid color. And you get these cute little pumpkins, and they have different faces on them. It says boo and stuff. There's a bit of a witch in all of us, sisters of the moon. Let's get smashed. The moon made me do it. Now, the only thing that I'm not sure of is their background stamps because every time we get a background stamp, it tends to be problematic. So we'll see about that. But they are pretty decent size. This is a good size for A2 size card. Then you get this mushroom. So they're not large stamps, but they're all really good for focal. You get this. One of my stamps always seems to jiggle its way out. I don't know what's going on. This owl, which is a really good size. I would probably use that owl, even though I'm not into owls, but he looks creepy enough to make. And then get these pumpkins, and this pumpkin could be a good fall card versus Halloweenish. And then this is a nice size, so you can make a what is that word? A slimline card with that, as well as this good slimline. I'm hesitant to mention this star thing. I don't know what that's for really. But overall, I think this is going to be a fun collaboration for tomorrow, which you'll see in September, but it's still August for me. It'll be really fun because I can't wait to see what she does with her stamps because she's over the moon about this. So I want to say thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the unboxing. Until next time, happy crafting.